Hello and welcome to MZ Academy. This is Zahra, and today we're going to be painting this glass jar. We will be putting tape around the middle of this jar and painting the top half of the jar pink and the bottom blue. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is put tape around the middle of the jar so that our paint does not go over there. To paint the top half of the jar, we will need some pink paint and a piece of sponge. Alright guys, we're now done with the top half of the jar, so let's move on to the bottom. As you can see, I replaced the pink with blue for the bottom of the jar. And we're done painting our jar. So guys, our jar is really wet right now, as you can see, so we will let it dry for around an hour.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so it has been an hour, as you can clearly tell, and our paint has dried. So let's get started with the moment we have all been waiting for. Alright guys, so I thought the jar looked a bit bland, so I added dream over here and a few stars all around the jar. I wanted to add in a few markers, and we could use this as a pencil holder too. And I think this looks really cute. So this is the final product. Thank you for watching. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family.